Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean an oven glass door using a few of the non-toxic items that you have at home, baking soda and vinegar and dish soap. I did a video on this, how to clean this oven glass door about 11 months ago, and I got about 100,000 views on it. So let me show you the inside. Look at outside's not too bad, but the inside is pretty dirty right here. You can see very dirty. And all right, this is a few items you need. If you don't want your hand to get dirty, so use a pair of gloves. And I use baking soda, vinegar. This is just a regular distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity, and dish soap. So you can use any dish soap for this one. I have a Scotch Bright heavy duty scrub sponge. So this one is heavy duty. So you have the green abrasion on the top and the sponge on the other side. So, and you also need the Clorox disinfecting wipe, which kill 99.9% of virus and bacteria, and then a spray bottle. Okay, let me show you how to do this thing. So I did a video on this 11 months ago, and I'm going to show you how to do it again. This you can use a hot chemical to do this in the easy way, you know, but it's gonna smell in your house. So the way I do it, I show you the the non-toxic way how to remove stain from your oven glass door. The first thing I do, I'm gonna put the baking soda right here. So this is a non-toxic way you have to remove grease and dirt from your oven glass door. I just put a lot here. This method is pretty safe, so you don't have to worry about any toxic chemical. I use a spray bottle right here. I put some of this vinegar in there, the white vinegar. I put about a teaspoon or so this Palmolive dish soap right here into here. I'm gonna shake it really good. Now I'm gonna spray it. You see the reaction right now. The baking soda is foaming up. There's a reaction with the vinegar. All right, that's so I just let it sit here for about, you know, half an hour or so, and just let it soak in there about half an hour. Let the chemical reaction there between the baking soda and the vinegar, as you can see right now, it start to you see the reaction bubble up. So let it sit there for about half an hour or so, and then we come back. We just use a sponge and go from there. So right now it's about 3:58, so it's about 4 o'clock right now, so come back around 4:30. All right, the time is 4:28, so it's about half an hour now. So now take the sponge right here. You don't want to use the green abrasive padding on the back, but you just want to use the sponge right here, the yellow part. Don't use the green part, because the green part gonna scratch the glass. So just in a circular motion like that. Keep scrubbing it. It's got to do some work here. It's not gonna come off easily. Okay, just keep doing it. It's coming out. You can see that yeah, it's coming off, but like I say, you got to scrub it. Just got to get on your knees and all right, you can see that you can see the yeah, it's coming out. Just keep doing it in a circular motion right here, just like that. All right, it's coming out. Just keep doing it in a circular motion like this. See, you can see it's coming out. As you can see the little orange, a little like rust. So it's coming out. So circular motion like this. Just keep doing it for until it's all getting out. So all right, you can tell it's coming out. Okay, circular motion. You might have to spend maybe I'd say at least like 5-10 minutes doing this. Circular motion. Put a little more pressure. Put a little bit pressure on the sponge. Keep doing that circular motion right here. Okay. Alright, now you could use a green pad on this, on the metal part. The green abrasive part, yeah, the green side on the metal part. Alright, I think now just take a paper towel. Just take a paper towel and just wipe everything off and see how it does. Alright, you can see that? It's coming off. Ooh. Now just take a small cloth, soak it with water, and just try to get all that. Okay. All right, you see how clean it is now? You can see, almost seeing through here. See how clean it is now? I'm about to do that one more time. Okay, now we have to get to the other side. So to the other side we need to use the Allen wrench. So there's only right here, use the Allen wrench. There's basically 2 screws in the front right here. This screw right here. Alright, this screw right here. Alright, it pop like that. And then now you can get access. See how dirty it is? Now you can get access to the other side. The other side is not as dirty on this side right here. So I do is I use Clorox white on this one. So just take a sheet, Clorox white, and then you just right here. How dirty it is now? Yeah, see how dirty? A lot of stuff right here. Take all that out. So the okay. Yeah, this side not as bad as the other side. Yeah. So the cloth wipe will take care of this side. All right. Now work on this side. Oh, it's very dirty too. I look like the cloth white doesn't work that good. Just concentrate on the glass here. Need the green pad. Right here, use the abrasive pad. See? See, it's coming out. So the last time I did a video on this, I did not remove the inside. I didn't get to this part right here. I didn't take off the screw to clean the inside glass. This video will do the complete cleanup. Okay. All right. Everything seemed to be clean. A little bit stain on the steel right here. I scrub it. It doesn't come out. I think it's just like permanent rust or some kind of rust. So it should okay as long as the glass is good. The glass is good now. Clean. Now the last part, I just want to use a glass cleaner. So spray some glass cleaner on here. That's good. And just get a piece of paper towel. Okay. Piece of paper towel and just clean this. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's very clean. So like I said, the last time I did not clean the inner, this side of the glass right here, I didn't take the screw off. Okay. All right. So you can see the difference now. All right. Let's put the screw back. All right. All right. Just do the same thing on the inner side. Just spray some glass cleaner and then just take a piece of paper towel and just so it's clean. See? So as you can see through. It's pretty clean now. Now the outside part is just use the same thing, chloride white. All right. Spray the glass cleaner. Final step. So I cleaned the inside, and what you can see, it's very clean right here. You can see through. The glass is very clean, very clear and clean. You can see through. I took off the 2 screws right here, and then I cleaned the inside glass with the chloride white, and then the glass cleaner, and then the outside I just do the same thing, chloride white and the glass cleaner. Look at, so it's a little work to do this, but you don't need to use chemical, so you can use the oven cleaner and do this job very fast. But it's gonna like say, chemical could smell all over your house. Or you can do this way. You're just using baking soda, distilled vinegar, distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity, dish soap, and that's it. And finish it off with the chloride white and the glass cleaner. And you use the sponge right here. You use a sponge and scrub in a circular motion to clean all that grease and dirt on the glass, on the oven glass door. You can see now, you can see, look at, it's very shiny now. You can see my reflection right there. You see how shiny it is? You can see my reflection. So this is how clean it is now. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, just keep doing it. It's coming out. You can see that